Okay, good evening, good evening. There's something that I want to share with you. Maybe if you can look at this chart the way it is, you can see that first of all, you identify the trend of the market. So if you can identify this trend of the market, you can see that it is an uptrend. The market is still going up. eh? And if you can look at the way, here I have a 20x potential moving average. Yeah, and within it exponential moving average, you can see that whenever I see that there is a candle that closes above, I can enter the market as long as I can see that I am above, all the candles are forming above this 20 exponential moving average. And another thing, some people don't find signals and they are always struggling finding signals within these different groups. But remember, sometimes you will make losses because you haven't put in your much effort. So if you can look at here, this is what you call a bullish engulfing pattern. Let me enlarge it and you look at it. You can see that this candle is taller than this green candle that you are seeing here. The green candle is taller than this shortest one. And another thing you have to consider, you can see that it is not exceeding a half, it is a halfway. So this is a good signal to go, and you can't fail to make some dollars here. And as you can see, at first the market was here. Yes, when it reached here, it traded this signal here, and you can see this market was too strong. And so I marked this. I had to mark, it was in the morning. Yes, so I marked this candle. This is a 4-hour candle. So you can see this is working as a retest zone on this line. The market has come here, it's going up. So my target is when it crosses over this line, above this line. Yes, not over, above this line. That's when I'm going to enter again. Yes, because you can see I had marked, but let me show you how you can enter easily. You can see this is a one candlestick strategy that I'm always sharing with you within the group. So you do look at this. Here we have the candle that has previously closed. This one, this green one. Since we know that the market is still going up, what you have to do now, you are going to mark the last candle that has previously closed. This last candle, yes, you mark the closure. You see, and you mark its open. You can mark its opening price. This is the 4-hour time frame. You mark the opening price. Remember, the buyers pushed the prices from this zone, from here. They were pushing prices from here until here where it has closed. Because this above candle was for the sellers who pushed the prices down, not buyers. So that's why you mark the closure of the candle. Another thing, you go and pick this rectangular box. This rectangular box, go and pick it from these tools. Okay, after marking, what you're gonna do now, you're going to pick. Hope you are seeing very well. Hope you are seeing very well what's going on. You're going to pick. You're going to go in 5 minutes. Or 1 hour. Let's go in 1 hour. We are making analysis from 4 hours. So the previous candle that has closed in 4 hours, you can see it is here. This one, the previous candle that closed, it is remaining with 21 minutes to close. Do you see? So we mark the previous candle. If you can look, you see, after marking that previous candle of 1 hour, so our target, we are now, you can see even here, we are experiencing I want to close above this level where the 4 hour is. If we can go in 4 hours, I want to close above here, yes, above the previous high, yes. And I hope that you are seeing that the previous high is on this black line here, yes. That's where the previous high closed. So okay, hope you are now seeing very well. Okay, the previous candle of the highest level closed that level. So meaning that from the moment when we were marking, we would have even we would be maybe trading that one, eh? Yeah, you can see even here we are still having 4 hours, which means within these 4 hours, 3 hours and 19 minutes, we can trade and make some dollars, eh? So I don't know why you are failing to make this cool cash. One thing that is forcing this candle to go up, you can see that there is a bullish engulfing pattern. This bullish engulfing pattern is the situation that is showing that buyers are having higher momentum than sellers on this chart, eh? Another thing, you can see it is above this 20 exponential moving average. Hope you are seeing now very well. So to make your entry good, you have to go in 5 minutes to find the entries. Have you seen the market already tested this level? You can see that the market had tested this level, but what you have to do, and we have three candles, consecutive candles that are confirming to go, that are confirming trade high, yes, to continue bullish. And also they are forming above this 20 exponential moving average. That's why you would have entered like that. So even there is a retest, here. You can see the market has come retested. So the main reason why I'm trading like that, most especially I wait for the market to come like inside here. I let it come print inside because I want to take the market from the cheapest price before I can before it can shoot up, yes. But there is a situation where you will find this candle, this green candle, like closing here, like down here, and whenever you will see that it has closed below, eh, like this, means the market will no longer go up, but it's going to change its direction, yes. Which means now here you wait for another candle that is going to form below this one, that below this level, yes, and you are going to enter the market. So which means sometimes the market will retrace back, and whenever it breaks below, means you are no longer looking at going deep, at going high, but we're going to look at dips of the market. So this market is not friendly, my friend, but when you are ready, you can make good money, my friend. So what you have to do, wait for the market to come inside here, inside here, inside. When the market come inside, you will wait again for it to close above this yellowish line or this golden line, and they will be able to enter at a premium zone where the prices are cheap, eh? And you will take like 2%, 1 to 2, eh? Or 3. Yeah, sometimes for me I use measures to take these profits, and like you can take 10% from 3 to 10%. depending on how you're seeing the market. Okay, hope you have understood. Let's see. Let's meet in the next session. Okay, let me give you another example. Hope you have understood this one. You wait for it to retrace back. This retracement, so you will enter the premium zones like here, but you will wait for the candles that will close above this line. Yes, let the market print below, come back inside. You can enter in 5 minutes or 15 depending on the way you want. Yes, have you seen? Yeah, but let the market print inside until when it goes down below this line. You will wait for the candle that is going to close above it, which is green. The candle that will close above this one after retracing back will give you an entry to go up. Means that's when you are going to make good profits. So I have been sharing these signals within different groups. So let me show you another one, which is like let me show you like AVAX. Let me show you like AVAX. ENA. For ENA, you can see it's up. Yes, yeah. For ENA, you see, as you can see, this I trade 1 hour candlestick strategy or 4 hour candlestick strategy. For ENA, you can see for here, I marked this candle, the green candle, but again it broke below. So this is another candle that is showing, but you can see that it is forming a rejection, which is a good indicator that the market is continuing upside. Yes, so when you wait for the market for here to come back inside, when it comes back inside, you go in 5 minutes and you enter, you go bullish, you go long. But here you would have entered after seeing this one. After seeing this is bearish engulfing pattern, you would have traded this candle, this one. You would have traded that. You would go in, you would go like, you would go in and you take a price measure like, you would go and pick a price measure from here. You would have taken 2%, to almost 3%, and you get out, because you can see there is a bearish engulfing pattern here. This is a bearish engulfing pattern, and it is the opposite. It is the opposite market of the bullish engulfing pattern. When it is looking above, when the green one is longer than the is engulfing or longer than the red, means bullish engulfing pattern, you go long. And when the red one is longer than the shortest green candle, means you go short, means the market is going deeper. So, and remember, you are not alone in this market, so you have to be serious. I am not a financial advisor. Yes, as you learn, always do your own analysis. Don't rely on someone's signal. Okay, let me show you another thing. Look here. Here was also a bearish engulfing pattern. So you would have traded this level. You see? But you can see it has not crossed too far. For here, I had marked this candle. After breaking out with this one, I entered on this second candle. After the second candle, this one, then I traded this upper zone. You see? So the market is trying to retrace back. That's for ENA. So when you are seeing like this coin called Ethereum going up, you mark the previous candle. You can go in 1 hour. You can go in 1 hour and you mark the candle that has previously closed. You can see here it is like this is a breakout structure. Here the market has been consolidating from this level, so you're gonna go long after few minutes, because this is like a confirmation candle. This one is confirming. After these 10 minutes you go long, as long as it is forming above this exponential moving average of 20, called 20 exponential moving average. So maybe next time I'll make you some video in Kinyarwanda language but since this market is its technical analysis is in English, it's simple for me to explain English, but I will try in English, in Kinyarwanda. In the next video I will try to, okay, let's meet on Zoom class. I will show you in Kinyarwanda language, even for those who have never gone to school with trade. Okay, thank you, good night, God bless you.